welcome back to Gucci's Cocktail Channel. It's Friday night, and to be honest, I'm not that excited about it. I kind of feel like all the days are blurring into one, especially since I no longer go into the office anymore. So tonight's cocktail is inspired by the cocktail called the Blue Monday. But instead of calling it the Blue Monday, I'm going to serve it a little bit differently, and I'm going to call it the Blue Friday. Let's be honest, everyone's feeling blue at the moment. It doesn't matter what day of the week it is. All right, now to make this drink, you will need 3 ingredients. You will need vodka, blue curaçao, and triple sec. The vodka I'm using today is from Nui Distillery, and it's called Blue Aurora Vodka. This vodka is really cool because it's got glitter throughout it. Check that out. To make this drink, you will need a protein shaker with ice. You will then need to add one shot of vodka. You'll then need half a shot of blue curaçao, and then half a shot of triple sec. Then put the lid on, and we shake. And this is well shaken. We're then going to need a serving glass with ice. Traditionally, this drink you would just serve in a martini glass without any ice, but I feel like I want to serve it on ice tonight, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to strain it in there. I'm going to spritz my orange twist, and I'm just going to pop that in there. And this is your Blue Friday. Cheers. It's not surprising that this drink is quite strong. I've added no mixes to it. In saying that, you definitely can taste the orange, and that's not surprising considering we've used blue curaçao and triple sec. Personally, I'll probably add a dash of soda water or lemonade to this drink, or maybe even some orange juice, just to sweeten it slightly and to tone that alcohol taste down. Alright, well, in saying that, this drink's pretty good for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, any day when you're feeling a little bit blue. Alright, well, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Gucci, make more cocktails,